Alright guys, really bad lighting, but today I'm going to be working on my '03 Lancer ES. What we're going to do is we're going to replace a valve cover gasket, clean all this up, give it a little paint job, replace the spark plugs, and I'm not going to be going too in depth on how I do everything. Y'all just going to see step by step on what I do, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I did manage to get it off. As you can see, obviously this is a fucking valve cover, so it was a bitch and a half to do, just because whoever had this vehicle before, I guess they never changed it, or it was just really old. But as you can see, this is an old ass gasket seal, so it was pretty much hard to do. I did manage to get it off. Had to use a little hammer right there. Hammer just a little bit loose, and I was able to get the screwdriver in between everything and pry it open just a little bit. I've already cleaned off those, took the spark plugs seals off. Now I do have something special planned for this valve cover. So if we open up this back door over yonder, as you can see, there's a box full of paint and shit. So basically what I'm gonna do is alright, so basically you see how ugly this shit is? I'm gonna completely transform it. I'm gonna start by cleaning it up real good. I'm like talking about like cleaning this bitch till it's spick and span, till I can eat off of that shit. And once I get done, I'm going to sand it down, take all this factory OEM paint off of there, prime it, paint it blue, clear coat it, and give it a nice little touch. Gonna add my little Nico flow to it. Now by any means, I am not a professional. I have never done this before. This is something I've been wanting to get into, is building cars, fixing up cars, doing my own little thing. Excuse me, I just burped. Oh well. Y'all heard me burp. Oh well, fuck it. So yeah, you know, it's something I've been wanting to do. My brother should be here any moment, so that way he can see also. He was supposed to come help me with this, but I got haunted and I did it by myself. But yeah, you can see like all right here is just some mad OD dirt. Don't know what this is. I might just, this feels like a nut that's right here, so I don't know if that's supposed to be in there. I guess not. I'm probably gonna take that off though. Yeah, clean all this up. This is disgusting, you know. Clean that up, sand it down, give it a new paint job, make my engine bay look good. By any means, I am not trying to build a race car. Like, this is not a race car. It's just a 5-speed manual Lancer that I don't want it to be fast. You know, I just want to take my time with it. I want to build it nice. It's basically just going to be a quote-unquote show car. So my plans for this car, eventually I am going to get cold air intake, just because that shit's fucked up. Completely clean out this whole engine bay. So basically degrease everything, clean it off. Eventually down the road, I am going to get a Mishimoto radiator, upgraded fans on there, all new hosing for it, headers, exhaust, all that fancy shit. Gonna do my own oil catch can, all that fancy shit again. New headlights, all over headlights, side markers, rims, lower it, new tint on the windows, front shield, everything. Whole new body kit on here. You know, completely transform this thing. I got a flat tire right now, don't judge me. But it fixed little things like this shit right here, like the where the stripping is coming off. But basically I want to take my time with it, you know. Not that many people build up the Lancer ES models, so I want to be dope. Speaking of my brother, there he goes right now. Fucking bitch. It's windy out here too, by the way, y'all. Show it up to YouTube, bitch. But yeah, anyway, so I'll get back to y'all niggas whenever. Don't mind that crutch on the ground. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all eventually. So this is what it should look like. But no, it looks like these. Didn't ask to be alive, but I'm living. Will I die in the streets? Maybe I'll go to prison. So yep, this is it. I know I didn't really talk much and go in depth on everything on this video, but just know sometime soon I will be redoing this, because I'm not gonna lie, I fucked it up just a little bit, not a whole lot, but yeah. So basically, if you want to do it, it's not hard at all. You just need the time, the patience, and the patience. You know, some days it's just gonna be raining, you're not gonna be able to go outside and paint. Some days it's just gonna be too cold. You just gotta stick it out and do it for the long run. Now eventually I am gonna get headers and intake on here, and then eventually I am gonna get, like I've said previously before, all new everything. So I just want this to be a nice looking car. So yeah, here it is. Let me go in here and make sure everything is all right. Please mind the mess. Still haven't really gotten to take this car to get fully detailed at all, so that's gonna have to be something I do in the near future. We can see, oh, it is kind of revving just a little bit high right now. Let's see. Damn, it's been out of focus this whole time. I don't know where this is normally supposed to rev at, but oh well, it's revving. It sounds pretty healthy. So yeah, you know, this is my little first intro to this car. Again, this is a 03 Mitsubishi Lancer ES, and I hope you guys see more of me soon. You guys have a wonderful day. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment on what you think I should do next to it, and I hope to see y'all in the next one.